Today we are making Russian tea cakes, and we are breaking up the cookie dough into tiny little baby pieces. Next we are going to pour the flour. Right now we are going to add the vanilla. Right now we are going to pour in the pecans. Now it is all mixed up, and now we're going to roll it up like this into a 1 inch ball, like this. Well, not like that, that's too big. Rip some of it off, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it as hard as you can. And then put it down. Now let's put it in there and leave it in there for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna take off the cookies and roll them in the powdered sugar. Here's our finished Florida tea cakes, and they look yum, yum, yum in my tummy.